Youth advocates push back against a plan to change prosecution and detainment laws in Nebraska for kids as young as 11. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Bill Shermer. KETV Investigates first broke this story back in December about the proposed legislation. Today, Governor Jim Pillen and Omaha State Senator Merv Riepe unveiled those bills alongside Douglas County Attorney Don Klein and Sheriff Aaron Hansen. One would lower the age a child could be charged as an adult to 12. Another would lower the age a child can be detained to 11.
But advocates say Nebraska should not, quote, throw away children. KETV Newswatch 7's Waverly Monroe brings us both sides of the debate tonight.
Julie and Bill, Omaha Senators Terrell McKinney and Ashley Spivey say this bill would disproportionately and negatively impact juveniles in the system. Spivey specifically says she's disappointed in her colleagues.
We all deserve a chance to learn from our mistakes, but not to be punished for life.
17-year-old Jershawn Archie stands inside the Capitol Rotunda speaking out against LB 556. The proposed law would lower the age a child can be detained to 11. Right now it's 13. It would also lower the age a juvenile can be charged as an adult from 14 to 12.
Our kids do not have opportunity and access. And by putting them in cages, by extending sentencing, by charging them as adults, we are saying that their lives do not matter.
I'll be really honest as your governor. This is really a tough one to talk about.
Governor Jim Pillen, flanked by supporters of LB 556 and its bill sponsor, Omaha and Ralston State Senator Merv Riepe, says this bill is in response to the increase of youth violence.
There's extraordinarily dangerous crimes and deadly crimes being committed by even kids that are 11 and 12 years old. Hard for us to comprehend in Nebraska.
Senator Riepe says despite lowering the age requirements, it's not about punishment.
Instead, it ensures decisions regarding detention are made by a judge with careful input from a probation officer.
Douglas County Sheriff Aaron Hansen says he's seen his fair share of juvenile crime.
Since 2017, we have seen an over 1,500% increase in repeat felonious juvenile crimes. Those are unique felonies committed on different occasions by high-risk repeat juvenile offenders.
But according to the state's Commission on Law Enforcement and Criminal Justice's annual report from 2021, juvenile arrests went down 35.9% from 2020 to 2021. That's their current reporting. Voices for Children in Nebraska have their own crime data. On their website, it shows a slight increase in youth arrests from 2021 to 2022 by 936. They say the laws should be focused on investments, not punishments.
Nebraskans, your dollars are being wasted by longer duration of holding kids. Use that money for programming.
All this does is pass the buck and lock them up.
Well, other parts of the bill include when a juvenile is arrested for a felony, their case is required to be heard before a judge on whether they'll be placed in detention or released to an alternative program. Back to you.
All right, Waverly, keep us posted.